In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use email templates in Microsoft Outlook. If you've ever found yourself typing the same emails repeatedly, you'll appreciate the time-saving power of email templates. Let's dive into the process so you can communicate more efficiently without starting from scratch each time you hit compose. First, let's open Outlook and get started by composing a new message. Open Outlook, click on New Message, and you'll see the familiar toolbar and email interface where you typically begin writing your emails. Here, we're setting the stage for adding some powerful tools to our email writing repertoire. Next, we'll go over to Enhance Outlook with Apps. This feature allows you to supercharge your email experience by integrating various tools directly into Outlook. Within the new message window, find the small icon that represents add-ins or enhancements. This will typically look like a small puzzle piece or an applications grid. Clicking this will open a new set of options on the screen, revealing the world of apps designed to integrate with Outlook. Now let's focus on getting the right tool for templates, the My Templates add-in. If you don't have this yet, head over to Get Add-ins. A window will open showing a marketplace of applications. Use the search bar to find My Templates. Once located, go ahead and add it to your Outlook. For those of you who already have the My Templates app, simply select it to open. And this add-in allows you to create, manage, and use pre-written templates at the click of a button. After selecting the My Templates add-in, a side window will appear on your screen. This is where the magic happens. The window should display several email templates, either preset or ones that you have created previously. Take some time to explore what's already available and consider which templates could best serve your needs. You might see templates for common scenarios like introduction emails, follow-ups, or meeting requests. Using these templates is incredibly straightforward. When you find the template you want, simply click on it, and Outlook will automatically populate the email body with the template content. You can then customize it by adding any specific details required for your recipient, such as names or project specifics. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to utilize email templates in Microsoft Outlook. This functionality not only saves time, but ensures that your communications are consistently professional and error-free. It's a utility you're going to want to invest some time in setting up today to benefit every day from here on out. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.